All right, guys, I was just having a good time out here. Of course, it's really muddy, everything's soaking wet, and this did pretty good, especially with these tires. They're getting a little bit better grip than I was expecting on all this wet wood, all these wet sticks and logs, especially the stuff that the bark is already like falling off of it, and it gets so slick. Like if you like step on it, it's like ice. You can just feel your shoe would just slide right off of it. So it's really hard to get grip down here with a lot of my RCs. This thing does so good. It's just so fun to drive, and I love that Hobbywing Axe system. Any Hobbywing system that's got that FOV set up in it is just really nice. If you guys have an FOV system, brushless Hobbywing setup, just let me know in the comments, you know, what your thoughts of it are and just how amazing it is. You know, it's really just so awesome for crawlers and for trailers. It's just a lot of fun. Anyway, I did remove the front bumper. I wanted to try that out. It does make it, the front bumper, it was the plastic one, and it has these bars that come up, and sometimes they get lodged right up above this bumper here, and when I go to pull the body off, it kind of hooks, and it was getting on my nerves. So I know I can adjust it and make it stick out further, but I really didn't want to do that, so I'm testing it with that thing removed. I may buy the metal bumper they have for this thing, and it has a winch mount on it also. And it doesn't have those bars that come up over here and get in the way sometimes, like the plastic one does that I had on here. But anyway, if you guys like this RC, hit that like button. If you like my videos, let me know. Got any questions or anything, hit me up in the comments. I hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget to sub, and as always, thank you for everything.